Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, super easy, patriotic wreath. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, I'm folding it in half and laying it into my Bowdabra. I'm using the silver just because I have so much silver in this bow. Next, I'm going to take my jute ribbon and I'm going to just fold it in half, find the center, and scrunch that in. And I've already dovetailed the ends, so you don't have to watch me dovetail. Then I'm going to take my little sparkle ribbon here, which has the shears on it. Then I'm going to take another piece of my jute ribbon again, and I've got about 22 inches of each of these ribbons. And then I'm going to take another one here. So while you're watching, if you wouldn't mind, and now what I love about this ribbon, this red shear, is it's red on one side but silver on the other, so we're mixing and matching it. Then I'm going to take another piece of my red jute, and again I'm using about 22 inches, and I'm just kind of shaping everything as I go. So then I'll take my shear, and this time I'm going to use the red side, just lay that in there. And take my blue and lay that in here. And also, if I can ask, would you guys mind please share the video and like us on Facebook and follow us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we're going to go here. And please list below what kind of bows you'd like to see me make in the future. And let me know where you're watching from as well. And so we're just going to put this in here, and we're going to take one more, and we're going to go put my silver side up on this. Then I have a really long, I think that's a little over 3 yards, and we're just going to fold it. Whoopsie daisy. Let's put this in here, give myself a little bit more of a tail. And all I'm going to do is just fold. And some of these I'm not going to twist on because I want it to be both silver and red on here. So we're going to just, whoops, my ribbon kind of folded in on itself. I'm just going to go fold that back over here. This time it'll be red, and then I'm going to twist it, and we'll do the silver on this side. So it's really super simple. And we'll just do one last here. And gosh knows what I did with my wand, so I'm going to just use my fingers and just scrunch everything down in there and pull this up. And if you do happen to lose your wand, a great thing to use, which will fit in the Bowdabra, is a 12-inch wooden ruler. So now we're just going to pull this out, bring it out of my Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back, and we're going to knot it and double knot it just for safety. And let me just do one more because this is such a big bow. Then what I'm going to do is now come around here and shape my loops. Bring them here. Just continue to shape my loops. And you can see how I'm just fluffing them all out by putting my fingers inside of each loop. And what I love is this ribbon is all wired, so it really shapes well. Then we're just going to shape out these here, just bring them all around. Then what I'm going to do, and this is so, you're going to be blown away by how super simple this is to make. So I'm just going to take this and tie it onto my wreath, and I'm just going to tie it here. And not going to make it too tight. And actually what I'll do here is just tie a bow, even though you probably want to knot and double knot it if you're going to put this outside. And now I'm just going to push this and pull this through here. And you have this absolutely gorgeous wreath.